Hi Ray, I've been testing and I've got this page here. So it's a protected page and you can see that it's doing odd things. I'll try and replicate this problem. Sometimes I think I can replicate it and sometimes not, but we'll see how we go. So to start with, now I cleared Cloudflare and I cleared SiteGround since you've made your changes on the staging environment. So nothing's changed, that should be okay. So what I'll do is I'll clear all my browser data and I'll go back to, well, actually hang on a sec, just copy that and homepage. And I've cleared my cache, so actually now I'll put that in now. Seems to be working quite well overall, I must say. So thanks, Ray. Speed seems to be going good, and this is only on the staging side. Okay, so I've got the demo, and now it's redirected. I'm going to log in. Okay, and put the address back in. Okay, so that's all good. And then I came down and noticed that some of these Instagram images here weren't visible. So that's potentially another issue. Yeah, there's more. It seems, yeah, more every now and then. And then I refreshed the page to just see if it was a Instagram, if I just needed to reload it. And that's when the issue at the start of this video came about. So it's okay this time. I'll try refreshing again, and I have seen it twice. Yeah, there we go. So it's not happening every time, but it's happening sometimes. Yeah, and the Instagram issue as well. Some of the thumbnails aren't appearing. So over to you, Ray. But overall, yeah, looks like we're getting there. Thank you so much. Cheers.